back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well on today or tonight whenever you all are watching this. I am here for an install video. I will be installing this wig here that I was sent from ISEE Hair. This is their Mongolian water wave textured wig. They sent this in a 26-inch and I have a 180% density. This is their 13x4 lace front wig, so you get like an inch worth of parting on the sides here, and then you get the 4-inch parting space in the middle. This wig does have 3 combs at the top, 1 at the bottom, and then the adjustable straps at the bottom as well. I am going to tighten mine up so it can fit my head properly. I will be installing my wig today. I want to do bed head today. I've been killing the bed head, y'all. I like the bed head spray a lot. I like it mainly because it's not messy. It gives you a cleaner install, so that's why I like using the bed head. But I do still have got to be sitting over here beside me. I've seen in the UK, like some of the girls, they be having the got to be freeze spray, but they have it like, I think they have like the travel size or a smaller size, and it has like the nozzle like this on it. Can we get that in the States? I would greatly appreciate it. Go ahead and press my hairline now because I don't think I want to do baby hairs. I don't think. decided to do no baby hairs. I just left me some little sideburns on the side, and I just kept them like real loose. I think I just want to do a flip over type get up with this, because this is 26 inches and it's 180% density. So when it's wet, it doesn't look as full for me. Y'all know I love big hair. When it's wet, it's not as full as I would like. It's not thin, but it's not as full. You know, I like big hair, so I really keep it like this and just kind of define the curls a tad bit. But I think I'm gonna just wear this like in a flip over like this, and just define the curls a little bit. I am getting a little bit of shedding, but not much. This is wavy hair. Let's see. After combing it out, I didn't really get much, so that's good. I'm gonna take a little foam wrap lotion and I'm gonna just wet it a little bit, like just a tad. Spray my face. And I'm gonna just take a little bit of some foam mousse and just like raise the top.
Might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Sunshine, she's here. You can take a break.
So this all I'm gonna do. Quick, simple, and easy. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Again, this wig is from ISEE Hair. This is their Mongolian water wave wig. It's a 180% density. I got a 26 inch. This wig did come pre-plucked, but I did go in, of course, and pluck it somewhere to my liking. For my taste, I definitely would go in and pluck it even with how much it was pre-plucked, just to thin it out and make it a little bit more finer on the finer side. And I did bleach my knots. This is 180% density, so keeping it fluffy like this makes it look bigger. For my taste, y'all know I love big hair, so me wearing it in the wet state, it would be too thin for me because I like my hair full. But if you like your hair a natural density, like a natural density, then this would be a perfect density for you. This lace is like the standard lace, so you know it's not super thin, but it's workable. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Any questions, comments, or concerns for me, you know you can leave them on down below. I thank y'all so much for watching this video, and I'm going to talk to you guys in my next one. Love y'all. Bye.